Number 1. Ni nandet sucks Nissan Hardbody Pickup Extra Cab 4x4, $3,800, Yuma, Arizona. A rugged and reliable 4x4, this 1986.5 Nissan Hardbody is powered by a 2.4-liter Z24i fuel-injected 4-cylinder engine that has been rebuilt. Known for their durability and off-road capability, these compact pickups have a cult following. It features a manual transmission, a clean blue exterior, and a solid 254,000 pound, 525 miles on the odometer. Despite the mileage, the seller emphasizes robust condition and a clean title. A dependable choice for off-road enthusiasts on a budget. Number 2. 1984 Chevrolet S10 4x4 pickup, $40,500, Evergreen, Colorado. This early model Chevrolet S10 is a true survivor, presenting in excellent condition with just 62,200 miles, though the odometer has rolled over. It houses a 2.8-liter V6 mated to a 4-speed manual transmission. Recent maintenance includes a full tune-up, fluid replacements, and new shocks. The body is straight with minimal rust, and it recently passed an emissions test. A strong candidate for collectors seeking an early, compact American 4x4 with clean lines and low ownership cost. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 4x4 short bed, $3,700, Aurora, Colorado. This 1989 Silverado is a great entry point into classic American pickups. Equipped with a 5.7-liter V8 engine and automatic transmission, it boasts 200,000 miles and a clean black paint job. Features include power windows, power locks, tilt steering, and cruise control. A reliable workhorse with solid bones, this model represents the beginning of the GMT 400 generation, which is now growing in collector popularity. Number 4. 1983 GMC S15, $3,250, Blanco, New Mexico. This rear-wheel drive 1983 GMC S15 presents exceptionally clean with only 26,000 miles, odometer rolled over. It features a custom green paint job, new wheels and tires, and a spray-in bed liner. Always garaged, its interior is described as very clean. The S15 shares its platform with the Chevrolet S10 and is appreciated for its simplicity and lightweight design. Ideal for someone looking for a well-kept, compact classic pickup. Number 5. 1988 Jeep Comanche 4x4 long bed, $3,750, Lake Isabella, California. The Jeep Comanche is one of the few pickups to bear the Jeep name, and this 1988 long bed version features a 6-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. The vehicle runs great, but requires a new transmission mount and must be towed. Despite the need for repair, it includes service records and has a clean title. These rare trucks have a strong following due to their off-road pedigree and unibody construction. Number 6. 1989 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, $4,000, Long Beach, California. A heavy-duty work truck with proven reliability, this 1989 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD features a V8 engine and automatic transmission. Although the odometer stopped at 247,000 miles, it has received a rebuilt transmission and a replaced fuel pump. It runs well once warmed up, but needs a tune-up at smog check. It is being sold as is. A strong buy for those who need a tough hauler or project base. Number 7. 1988 Chevrolet 4x4 Extra Cab Long Bed, $6,500, Flagstaff, Arizona. This Arizona-based 1988 Chevrolet 4x4 Extra Cab Long Bed has been in the same hands since 1989. Restored in 2012, it's powered by a GM 5.7-liter V8 crate engine, making it a solid and reliable classic truck. With 185,732 miles and a rust-free body, this truck stands out for its clean history and long-term ownership. These square-body Chevrolets are increasingly sought after, and this example is ready to enjoy. Number 8. 1992 GMC C1500 Pickup, $500, Creswell, Oregon. An unbeatable price for a classic truck, this 1992 GMC C1500 features a 4.3-liter V6, 5-speed manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. Although it has 189,509 miles, odometer rolled over, and needs a fuel-related fix to run, it was in regular use until recently. With a toolbox, backup camera, and some cosmetic issues, it's a great project truck. Perfect for those looking for a budget restoration or work vehicle. Number 9. 1989 Toyota Extended Cab 4x4 SR5, $10,000, Western Nebraska. This 1989 Toyota SR5 4x4 Extended Cab is a true gem. With only 120,628 miles and a 3.0-liter V6 EFI engine, paired with a manual transmission, it's well equipped with a winch, cold air conditioning, and both owner's and repair manuals. The second owner reports excellent mechanical condition and a clean title. These trucks are highly collectible due to their legendary reliability and capable off-road performance. Number 10. 1987 Ford F-250 2WD Long Bed, $9,000, Mesa, Arizona. This 1987 Ford F-250 Long Bed is in excellent condition and has only 53,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a gas-fed V8 and mated to an automatic transmission, it offers a rare chance to own a heavy-duty pickup with extremely low mileage. The two-wheel drive configuration makes it ideal for towing and hauling, an increasingly rare find in this shape and condition. Number 11. 1986 Ford F-250 6.9 IDI Diesel 4x4, $5,200, Rathdrum, Idaho. A powerful and dependable diesel truck, this 1986 Ford F-250 is equipped with the 6.9-needle International Harvester IDI engine and four-wheel drive. It has undergone an extensive mechanical overhaul, including rebuilt heads, new injectors, injection pump, and valve train components. While it has some cosmetic flaws and non-functional windows, the mechanical investment, over $7,000, makes it a strong deal for a buyer seeking a long-lasting classic diesel. Number 12. 1987 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, $6,000, Princeton, Minnesota. Originally from North Dakota, this 1987 Chevrolet C10 Silverado features a 305 V8 with overdrive and automatic transmission. With an odometer reading of 34 XXXX, the truck has some rust, bad tires, and a cracked windshield, but it remains solid overall. It also comes with new gas tanks, air conditioning, and tilt steering. The square body design makes it a favorite among collectors, and this one is a strong candidate for restoration.